In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF from Notion. Exporting a Notion page as a PDF is really handy when you want to share your content with someone who doesn't use Notion, print a document, or simply keep a static backup. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process using Notion's latest interface, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, start by opening the specific Notion page you want to export. Make sure you're on the exact page whose content you want in your PDF. If your page is part of a larger workspace or nested inside another page, click into that final page so that you're seeing its full content in the main area. It can help to scroll through the page once to confirm that everything you need is visible and up to date. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the Notion window. There, you'll see the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu with additional options for that page. This menu controls things like page settings, layout options, and, importantly for us, exporting. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Export and click it. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. This export window is where you choose how you want Notion to package your page. Inside the export window, find the setting called Export Format. This is usually a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see several format options. From that list, select PDF. Choosing PDF tells Notion you want a fixed document-style version of your page that can be opened on almost any device. Before you proceed, take a moment to double-check that PDF is selected as the format. You can also quickly think about whether the current state of your page is final. If you need to fix headings, adjust spacing, or hide anything, go back and edit your page now, then reopen the export menu. Once everything looks good and the export format is set to PDF, click the Export button in the pop-up. Notion will generate the PDF for you. Depending on the size of your page and your connection, this can take a few seconds. When it's done, your browser or app will prompt you to save or open the file. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Notion page as a PDF.